Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicweb.com. Alright, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add a Magic IB Alarm EA, means Expert Advisor, once you get it in your MT4 folder. So let's get started. This is the email. I send it to myself in the email. Here it is, Magic IB Alarm, right? So when I click on that email, this is the email opens up and I have a zip folder attached to it. This is how you're gonna get it, the zip folder attached to your email, or maybe you will download it, right? It depends where you get this, where did you get the sign up from. You might download it or get it from the email. So I'm just showing you if you get it in the email. So you download this, right? So you click here and you download down here. So I have already done, it's going to be doing it again, so it doesn't matter. So here, once it's download, click on this and then go show in folder, so you can copy it. It's going to show you where it is in the folder. The whole folder is going to show up. So you see this Magic IB Alarm, so we're going to copy this and then paste it on, go here on the desktop and paste it. So I have pasted already Magic IB Alarm right there, right? So this is how you're gonna save it on your desktop. Now from here you double click on this folder to open it up, and then you have this folder here, right? So double click on that folder and you have this Expert Advisor here, right? Magic IB Alarm EX4. So what we do, we copy and we gonna right click and copy it from here, right? Now once we have copied on our clipboard, we go on our MT4 platform. This is how you have it open, right? A new platform or whatever, an old one. But then here you go where on in the file and open your data folder. Open data folder here, this folder, click on that. So a window will open up, and in that window you will look for MQL4 folder. This is where it's MQL4 folder. Double click on that. You will have on the top, all the way on the top, it says expert, this folder, expert. So what do we have? We have expert folder, Expert Advisor to use, right? So we're gonna place that in this experts folder. Double click on that, and here we're gonna place that see this paste, and I just pasted that. So it is, I'm getting a message that replace the file in the destination, right? So actually I do have it here already. See this Magic IB Alarm, what is it, 4, an EX4 file. I have the original file, I have the EX4 file, right? So 4 right there, right? So I'm not gonna add it again, but you're not gonna get this window. I'm getting it because I already have it, right? So I'm just gonna skip. So once you have it, then close that window, close this one, right? And now you shut down your MT4. You close your MT4 and restart again. Restart, and it's gonna be like that. Then you go on this navigator button, click here, and then all the way in the bottom you will see this expert. See this? If it is closed, open it up with this like that, and then you look for your MT4, the Magic IB Alarm, which is right here, right? Magic IB Alarm 4, and I have all the others. This is where you have it. And how do you apply that? I'll show you on. Well, I can show you here real quick once you have, but you have to have the right chart, right? So that I will show in the next video, that how do you open the 33 and 7-minute chart and then apply your MT4. But here I'm just gonna show you a simple way just to apply, how to apply it. So right here you have a chart, you have an alarm. Double click here and this window. So make sure you have this checked, this checked, this and this, right? So all these boxes checked except this one, and simply go OK. And here you will see all the way top right hand corner, you will see this Magic IB Alarm, right? If this face is crying, because that I have it auto trading off. If I turn it on, now see it's smiling. So what happened? It's working right now, right? So I want to keep it while I'm making the video so that my no disturbance. So this is it's working, but this is not the chart that you apply. You have to apply on the 5-minute chart which you open, and I will show you in the next video that how you open the 5-minute chart, 33-minute chart, 7-minute chart, right? And sorry, I said it wrong. You have to apply this on the entry chart, which is either 7-minute chart or 20-minute chart, whatever, whichever you're using, right? Most of the time we'll be using 7, but we use 20 as well a lot of times. So we use the alarm there. So I'm going to show you in the next video how to first open the charts, proper charts, and then apply this, and then what to look for to trade. Okay, so this is how you add your magic IV alarm in your MT4 and get ready. Make sure that every time you finish all the work, you close your MT4 and restart again, because sometimes you add something that wouldn't add and you will be scratching your head where the heck happened or where the heck it go. But it's there, but it's not going to show up unless you reopen the MT4. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.